Well, good day everyone. Today I would like to talk about why pregnancy test is negative despite you are pregnant. It means like, why do we have a false negative pregnancy test despite a woman being pregnant? There could be so many reasons or so many factors contributing to having a negative pregnancy test, whereas the woman is actually pregnant. The first of all is one, testing too early. When a woman tests for pregnancy test too early, before the HCG, that is human coronary gonadotropin hormone level, it's high enough to be detected by all these pregnancy kits, you get a negative pregnancy test. Another reason for having a negative pregnancy test while you're actually pregnant is the use of the medium, especially when you are using urine and the urine is more diluted. The concentration of the HCG in the urine might not be able to be picked up by the test strip. It's always advisable to do an early test for pregnancy test using blood instead of urine. The blood will pick the surge or the increase in HCG earlier than the urine. If you use a urine or a too diluted urine, you won't really get a positive result because the urine is so diluted. The HCG concentration will be diluted. Another reason for having a false negative pregnancy test despite you being pregnant is using an expired HCG kit or expired pregnancy test strip. For you to get a good result, your kit to make the diagnosis has to be valid and it shouldn't be expired. Another reason for a negative or a false negative pregnancy test is inappropriate use of the test kit. If you don't really know how to use the kit properly, maybe where you're supposed to dip up, you're dipping it down, and maybe the testing part does not really touch the solvent the way it's supposed to touch it, you are going to get a negative test result. So that's one other major causes of a negative testing despite you being pregnant. Another reason for having a negative pregnancy test despite you being pregnant and you did the test is when the concentration of the HCG is extremely high. When the concentration of the human coronary gonadotropin hormone is extremely high, definitely it can interfere with the result outcome and give you a false negative pregnancy test. I think with this, the best thing for you to do when you